What have we talked about today, folks? We've talked about the Dygma Defy keyboard. It's really neat. I'm jealous. I'd like to have one. You probably would too. You can get yours at, I think, Dygma.com. Yeah, that'll get you there. Also, maybe more importantly, we talked about a vertical mouse. The Nulea M506 wired trackball mouse, which Josh found after, as you've seen, a lot of trial and error.
Amazon is no longer selling this Nulea model, but it looks like the exact same thing has been picked up by another manufacturer that Amazon is selling. It's just $30 instead of, I think I paid 18 or 19. I just really recommend that people try either a vertical mouse or a vertical trackball mouse. Get your hand in that handshake position and see if that helps you with your pain.